that. Breakfast. I believe. Well, this is snacks. Snacks. Let me find where breakfast is. Hola. Where can I get breakfast? We have. Oh, breakfast is out there?
Yes, over there.
I borrowed these last night for a salad. Okay, thank you. Alright, so breakfast is out there. So this is a hotel. Let me get it 360. It's a really cool place. They have games over that outside. If you need to use a desktop, bathroom. Station on this side. That's good. And then I come out over here first. Buenos dias. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
And then you have breakfast. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Gracias. Gracias. We have a food station. That's so nice to go and see those. That's pretty cool.